So far we've created everything in the main function, but you can create your own functions. If you couldn't, Rust will be pretty bad. We can create our own functions using the fn keyword. So let's create a function that prints hello. We call it print hello. Anything we put inside the curly braces belongs to the function. And so we have our function. To call a function, we simply write the function name followed by an open and closing parenthesis and a semicolon. Let's replace the print function with our own function. Print hello. If we run this now, we should see hello. Let's make our print function a little bit more exciting by adding an argument. And I'm not talking about the kind of argument you would have with your spouse. No, I'm talking about a useful one. Let's make our function take a reference to a string as an argument and print that out as part of the greeting. Now we need to update a function call to pass in a name. We'll use Bob. If we run this now, we should see hello Bob. And there it is. We're of course not limited to having only one argument. We can add multiple arguments. We can add another name up here. Other name, which will also be a string reference. So now we can update this. Now of course we need to update a function call. If we run this now, we should see hello Bob and Alice. Functions can also return values, and to do so we need to give it a return type. Let's make a function that returns the number 5. To do so, we create a new function. We call it 5. We have to give this a return type. Let's give it a return type of an unsigned 32-bit integer. In the body of the function, we'll simply return 5. We can now use this function like we used all the other functions. We call in the function and let's print out the value of the function. If we run this now, we should see hello Bob and Alice followed by the number 5. One nice thing about Rust is implicit return. And what does that mean? It means that we can do away with the return keyword for the last expression of a function, and it will automatically be returned. We can remove the return keyword and the semicolon from the 5 function, and the function will behave just as before. If we run this now, we should see the same thing. Hello Bob and Alice and the number 5. Now you know about Rust functions.